I'm Nigel Bloxham. I'm the owner of the Crab House Café. About 14 years ago I came here to Weymouth and basically I built something where I wanted to eat. We became famous for our crabs. We also feature alongside the crab the oysters from our own farm. As soon as I read about the Crustastun, that somebody was actually trying to develop this, I found out who it was and we tried to help promote it. Customers ask us, how do you kill your crabs? They want to know. The way I've been taught to kill a crab, hold the crab upside down, put a knife into its mouthpiece and click upwards. It's not a good way. It causes all sorts of stress. It's not the way to do it really. Chuck it in the pot is an absolute no-no. We keep them fresh in the tanks. It's running seawater, so they're very happy before we actually use the Crustastun and humanely dispatch them. There will be some fibrillation, which is normal. It's not alive or anything else like that, it's just the muscle spasm. It dispatches it really well and humanely. There's no two ways about that. Without a doubt there isn't the adrenaline or the flesh tightening, which definitely makes a better eating product. We've proved it time and time again with blind tastings. Our crabs are far heavier, plumper, softer, juicier meat. It really affected me putting a knife back into a lobster. You know, it really made me think, I don't think I want to do this anymore. You want to know that it's done in the most humane and best way possible. I think if you're into seafood, then the Crustastun is a must and you'd really get to know the difference.